Is your side hustle feeling more like a hobby than a business? You see others turning passions into profit and wonder, what am I missing? The hard truth is, without a game plan, you're just spinning your wheels. Most side hustles stay small. In fact, a recent survey showed that the median income for side hustlers is only about $200 a month. That's great for pocket money, but if you're dreaming bigger, it won't cut it. The problem isn't your idea, it's the execution. In this video, I'll give you the exact 5-step blueprint to stop being a hobbyist and start building a 6-figure online business. Quickly, all the concepts we're about to cover are from my ebook, From a Side Hustle to Sustainable Solid Biz. It's loaded with step-by-step guides. So, if you're serious, click the link in the first comment to grab your copy, and let's get started. Step 1. Change how you think about selling. Forget the sleazy salesperson stereotype. Real selling is simply problem solving. Your job isn't to push a product. It's to be a trusted guide who offers a solution. The moment you shift your focus from making a sale to offering a solution, you start building trust. And trust is the real currency of any business that lasts. Step 2 is finding a profitable niche. Avoid the common traps, chasing money in a field you don't care about, or pursuing a passion that nobody will pay for. Your sweet spot is where your passion and market demand intersect. Do your research. See what problems people are complaining about on Reddit, in Facebook groups, or on forums. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to stand out and become the go-to person for the right customers. Step 3 is to leverage your own website. Social media is great, but you're building on rented land. Algorithms change, accounts get shut down, and your business could vanish overnight. Your own website is non-negotiable. It's the one piece of the internet you truly own. Think of it as your digital home base where you establish your brand. A blog is especially powerful here. By creating helpful content, you can attract visitors through search engines, building a stream of organic traffic that becomes a true asset for your business. Step 4. Implement email marketing. A social media follow is nice, but an email address is gold. It's your single most powerful tool because it's a direct, personal line of communication that you control. When someone trusts you with their email, they're inviting you into their inbox. This is your chance to build a real relationship by sharing value, all without screaming for attention over a noisy social media algorithm. Start building your email list from day 1. Step 5 is to drive traffic consistently. A brilliant website with a life-changing product is useless if nobody knows it exists. You have to create a system for driving consistent traffic. This doesn't mean being everywhere at once. Pick 1 or 2 strategies and master them. Maybe it's a mix of SEO and consistent content on one social platform. As you start making money, you can reinvest into paid ads. The key is consistency. A steady flow of traffic is the fuel for your business engine. So that's the blueprint. Understand that selling is problem solving. Find your niche, build your own website, use email to build relationships, and consistently drive traffic. When you follow these steps, you're not just hustling anymore, you're building a real asset. If you're ready for the full, in-depth guide with checklists and advanced strategies, download my ebook, From a Side Hustle to Sustainable Solid Biz, at the link in the first comment. Don't wait, your breakthrough starts today.